What's up, fam? It's Fast Phil. I just made $1,000 flipping a pair of mid-century nightstands. Let me show you how I did it. Quick Draw McGraw getting first dibs on this Facebook Marketplace steal. A pair of Kent Coffee Townhouse nightstands for $200. Forget about it. That stain though, didn't know if it was gonna come out. A little veneer repair, no problem. I jumped in Big Blue, cranked some tunes, and headed up the river to Lowell. The transaction was quick. I paid with Venmo, and let me tell you something. Everybody and their cousin wanted these nightstands, but I got them. I made it home just in time for the bus. Did I mention it was Halloween? Crushed it. Next day, I hit the lab. Alright, what you're looking at here is some OG American-made mid-century Kent Coffee Townhouse nightstands in their original finish. These puppies haven't been touched in 65 years. I decided to do a full refinish of the walnut veneer tops and just restore the rest of the cabinets, including the drawer fronts that were in excellent condition. I checked to see if there were any drawer repairs needed and found just one broken slide glide. I just really wanted to dive into those tops, bro. So I grabbed my orbital sander, a fresh stack of 120 grit sanding discs, and went to town. After blasting off the old finish, I hit him with a 150 and kissed him with 220. The stain was gone enough, right? Look at that grain, kid. Kapow. A little paint thinner wipe down confirmed they'd be too light, so I darkened them up with some dark walnut oil stain. That did the trick. The tops were looking good, so I called it a day. I came back Sunday night. First thing on the list was to fix that broken slide glide, so I grabbed a piece of scrap wood, marked it, cut it, ripped it, glued it, and nailed it. Drawer fixed. Don't believe me? Look at that. Kazam. I added a couple of tacks where there was some missing and had a cold one. Next was the back leg veneer repair. I used Bondo wood filler and some scrap walnut veneer. I gotta admit, I shouldn't have used that Bondo wood filler, or I should have been much more clean with it because I was a pain in the to sand that off. Damn. Hours, kid. And then I discovered that the wood filler didn't even take stain, even though it said it was stainable. I had to brush on layers of it. I don't even remember how I got that line to disappear. Some lightweight water-based wood filler for those small veneer chips on the side, and then it was time for the oil. I used dark walnut restore finish for the cabinets and drawer fronts, and they came out mint. I lightly sanded it into the old finish with some 0000 steel wool and then buffed it dry with some cloth rags. I brushed on the first coat of oil poly onto the tops and was done for the night. I ended up doing the photo shoot the next day, even though I wasn't done with the clear coats. I added a few more clear coats on the tops and the veneer patches using wipe-on oil poly, one of my favorites, lightly hand sanding between coats with 400 grit. Later that week the poly was done and I posted the ad on Facebook Marketplace, the same place where I bought them, and I ended up selling the nightstands 16 days after listing them for full asking price. The customer showed up right on time and paid with cash. So let's see, I bought them for $200, $50 for gas and materials, sold them for $12.50. That's $1,000 profit, kid. You can do this, all right? You can do this. Listen, check out my other video on how to open a paint can. If you want to see more Fast Phil flips, hit that subscribe button, kid. You know the theme, all right? Time for work, and there's time for play.